If you've ever built a dashboard in PHPRunner, you know that the default search box filters data across all your dashboard elements. But what if you only want to search within a single specific grid, like finding a specific customer without changing your product's view? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a powerful JavaScript trick to add custom search boxes to individual dashboard grids. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to inject custom HTML into your grids, handle AJAX loading, and trigger specific searches. Let's dive in. First, we need to understand the goal. We are going to build a custom JavaScript function that automatically injects a search box directly above any grid we choose. To do this, open your PHPRunner project and head over to your custom_functions.js file. Here we are going to define a new function called add_dashboard_grid_search. This function will take two arguments: the page object, which represents the dashboard itself, and the table name, the specific grid we want to target. Inside this function, we write the JavaScript to create our HTML elements, specifically a container div, an input field for the search term, and a clear button. Now here is the tricky part. In PHPRunner, dashboard grids are loaded asynchronously via AJAX after the main page has already loaded. If we try to inject our search box immediately, the grid might not be there yet. To solve this, we use a JavaScript feature called a MutationObserver. This observer essentially watches the dashboard. As soon as it detects that the grid container's content has changed, meaning the grid has finally loaded, it triggers our function to inject the search box right before the details found counter. This ensures our custom HTML always appears exactly when and where it's supposed to. With our search box visible, we need to make it actually work. We do this by adding event listeners to our custom input field. We set it up so that when a user hits the Enter key or clicks our search button, it grabs the text from the input field. We then pass that text into the QS parameter, which stands for Quick Search. Finally, we call the dashboard.loadPage function. This is the magic command that tells PHPRunner to refresh only that specific dashboard element using the new search parameter, leaving the rest of your dashboard completely untouched. The heavy lifting is done. Now we just need to turn it on. Go to your dashboard's JavaScript onLoad event. Because we built this as a reusable custom function, applying it is incredibly simple. All you have to do is call the function and pass in your table names. If you want it on the products table too, drop down a line and type the following. Build your project, open it in the browser, and here we go. You now have independent, fully functional search boxes on your individual dashboard grids. And there you have it, a cleaner, more targeted way to search your PHPRunner dashboards. This technique of using a mutation observer combined with PHPRunner's built-in AJAX functions is a massive level up for your custom UI designs. The full webinar is available for download through the Dev Club, and channel members can download this project from the Community Hub. All links can be found in the description below. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more PHPRunner workflows and coding tutorials. Have a question about the code? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.